Alright guys, out at my buddy's shop, getting pipe cleaned up, getting ready to weld on the Cherry Bomb Salute muffler, so we'll see how she sounds. All tacked together, just got to finish welding it. Alright, exhaust is all welded in. This is a piece of tailpipe my buddy had into the Cherry Bomb Salute. So we're going to fire it up and see what it sounds like. Why is that over so far? Does it matter? Alright. Get good video or I'll fire you.
Oh. How, like this or what? You want me to get down here?
It don't matter. You can stay back up from it or whatever.
Damn! Bunch of debris flew out.
Did it?
Yeah. Hell yeah, player.
Sounds pretty good. Do you think it was going to be louder than that?
Yeah, I did. I'm kind of disappointed, honestly.
It's got a nice little grumble to it. And it'll get louder as that fiberglass kind of packs in.
Sprayer down cold hose.
What's that going to do for it?
Busts the fiberglass all up.
Does it?
Yep. Supposedly.
Well, next I guess we're going to be tackling these when the other cross members show up. And then we'll get the bed put back on.